Okay, it's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. And on this wonderful day, we are going to continue working on our project for automatically cutting off the silence of the video. So I already have the setups done. I already have some components on both front end and back end. There are some things that need work. Like here we have an error directly in our editor. Argument of type the response is not assignable to parameter of type blob. All right. All right. Let me close all of these. And let's start with, is this one working? So this is the waveform function. I don't need regions, I think. Do I need regions? No, I don't need the regions input. Waveform. And here is the upload form. So this is the issue that we need to fix right here. Okay, let's start. What am I doing here? Is there so it's so it seems that I didn't provide the correct arguments here. Waveres is the response object, but here I need the blob, and the second one should be the silence array. Oh, what's that file? So this should be data silence. Nice, this works now. This works, and if I open my Terminator, let's just move top right. For some reason, I love it. I love it to be top right. Autocutter. Let me open two tabs. Front end and PM run dev. Simple as that. How do I switch between tabs? On Terminator. How do I switch between tabs? Brother, tell me. I know that on the regular terminal I can use Alt and then hit 1, 2, 3. That corresponds to the index of the tab itself, but here it's not. Okay, so it's control and page up, page down, which is extremely stupid, but we'll work with it. Python when bin activate when bin source. What's the name of this? Wait. Activate. I need to put source here. When bin. All right, and now I'm using Python to run app Python. This is a development server. Do not use the production deployment. Use a production server instead. Okay, we'll think about this. Now control and page up and down. So it's localhost 5173. Let me just move it here. Maybe you can see it better. So if I click choose file, and here I use all files, and here I use test file. If I click upload, I should get a response from the backend, I assume. Yeah, it's here. Or maybe not. Cannot read properties of undefined that handle submit. have this, and I got a response with the silence array, but I have an issue here. Cannot read properties of undefined. Do I have an error here? No. So the error is only here. Properties of undefined. Okay, let's go to the code. Why is the proper data console log data file name replace? Ah, it's not file name. Wait, let me open. Why can't I open my tab? What's happening here? Ah, Brave is bugged out. I also need another thing that I need to do. I need to automatically select video files. Let me just add this maybe in a README. To the big README. To do. Automatically show video files when I open the upload, when I click the upload button. All right. Just a couple of to-dos. Here I don't want to change anything. I don't care about this one. Upload. So what do I get in the network? What do I have here? Data file name. Why do I have here data file name? And it's not MP4. It should be only video here. Okay, so this is something that needs to be redone. This is a mistake, and I don't need this. I don't need this at all. I need to change something in my backend so I don't depend on this new endpoint that I won't even use most probably. I don't know why I created it. Maybe here I have silent ranges, I have threshold. I can type in file name, and I can also produce the audio file only. This name audio path. Oh, here as well. Here as well. MPV. So now I do the same old. On there's an issue. Cannot read property undefined. So here, let me think about this. Why do I have a question that I'm thinking about? Why can I extract the audio on the front end? No, I need only the audio. Okay, on the browser I definitely cannot extract audio because browsers do not support, I don't know, codecs and stuff and converting audio tracks. I can't use it because I don't even think I can use FFmpeg in the browser either. Like here. I need a backend for this. Yeah, because in order to extract audio, I need to extract it with FFmpeg. And I send this blob to the browser itself. Also, it can detect silence. Okay. I don't need this. Maybe if okay, I could maybe compile FFmpeg to WebAssembly. No, no, no. It would be like 10 megabytes. And it would be a lot slower. So maybe just here, I put. No, I won't actually put anything. I'll just put uploads, and here is gonna be data file. Don't work now. If I reload, lose my file, and upload. Course again? Why? What? Why am I getting Corsair? No, it's not Corsair. All right, where are you failing, Bowie? Error opening input file. It's not MP4. Or is it MP4? Wait. What is my file? It's MKV, not MP4. 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 Ah! Alright, alright. Another thing to do. Arbitrary video extensions. Enable them. Let's see if this will work again. Bum. Works. This one doesn't work because we don't have the endpoint, which we are gonna create right now. Also, I had the video the whole time here. So what I need, I generated it. Everything's okay. Do I even have it here now? No, still. So I generated the file. Now I need another endpoint that's gonna send this audio file to me. Route, what's the name of this guy? Uploads. Methods. Gonna be uproute. Uploads. I also need file name. It's a get method, so I don't need to write specifically uploaded file name, and I'm just gonna return send from directory upload folder file name. Here I move back. I need to create now this method. Oh wait, I don't need it. There is here. And from directory. Projects, autocutter, backend, video, and here it is. Now I can do this from my project directly. So before I do another test, why am I using send from directory here, and what does it do? Because it's a Flask method. This method is used to safely send a file from a specific directory on our server to the client. Of course, our client is the browser in this case. We could send a file directly. We could say, I don't know, open, uploads file name, but it's not secure. It can expose our server to traversal attacks. This method limits access to a specific folder, and it ensures only files in that folder are served. And it basically just looks for the file name inside this folder. And if it's found, then it sends it back to the client with the correct content. Oh, let me just remove all of these. Like content type. So I click upload. Why is the detect failing? Okay. Okay. Upload. Gonna pass. And we have something here. Okay. I love this. I love this. Can I zoom somehow? No, not you. Zoom here. Yeah, I can. Can I run it? I run it somehow. Okay, so what I want here is the following. I want to, I'll clean this up later on, but what I want is to fix up these borders here, give it a certain padding, and cut it. Okay, it works. It works. It's great. For our first step, amazing. But what do I have here? These blob. Ah, okay. So it sent the blobs and most probably in chunks. Okay, a couple of things I will do right now. I'll try to clean up the waveform a bit. Maybe add a play button. I think WaveSurfer provides built-in support for controlling playback. It should, definitely should. I'm gonna close this, I'm gonna close this, I'm gonna close this. Waveform, let me just create a container. Waveform, and here I can create a button. On click, it's gonna do something. What's it's gonna do? I'll think about it. Wave surfer. No, not current waves. Wait. Not any of the references. I need this guy. I need the big guy. Wave surfer. No, it's not this one. Oh. So here I need reference wave surfer. Need to reference wave surfer. All right, so I need a reference to the wave surfer object. The best way to do this is actually the way we already have created references for the waveform and the wave surfer reference. Wave surfer reference. It's already here. Fun. Why don't you work, brother? Wave surfer reference current. Ah, it is. Play pause. Is this right? I think it should be. Blah 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 blah. I don't care about this. Wave surfer reference current is playing. If it's playing, then I need to pause. Otherwise, play. Why is this guy not working? Why is this guy not working? Because I need to do this. Now, files, upload, test 1, 2, 3, 4, test, test. It's play or play. It should be pause. Why? Why are you not pausing? Use file. I'm testing it again. Play. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Why are you not changing the button content? Signal is aborted without reason. What? 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11. Why is this here, brother? Interesting. Yeah, basically what's happening here is we have this button that triggers the play pause method. Play pause method just toggles playback. If it's playing, it pauses. If it's paused, it plays. Is playing is references the current playback state. But the issue is that it doesn't update my button content. Why? Why? Most probably because React doesn't know when the playing state changes. It doesn't re-render when Wave Surfer starts or stops playing. I need a state here. I need state here. Const is playing, set is playing. Use state is gonna be false by default. I need to import use state from React. Where else? And here, Wave Surfer on. Wave Surfer on. Play. Set is playing false. And let me copy this. Here is gonna be pause. Set, no, this is gonna be true. Set's playing true, and here is gonna be false. Instead of all of these, I'm just gonna use is playing. Okay, so we created a new React state variable. It will trigger a re-render when it changes, which is playing. Wave Surfer emits play and pause events when playback changes, and we hooked on those with the on method to keep our state in sync. What else can I do here? Maybe toggle play, waves, serve. I need this. And here I can say toggle play to clean stuff up a bit. Okay. All of this is in the use effect. By the way, if you don't know what use effect is, it's probably one of the most useful React hooks. It allows us to perform side effects in our function components. So we can fetch data like we did in upload form, or we can manipulate the DOM. We can set up event listeners like we did here for Wave Surfer, or we can use our third-party libraries like Wave Surfer as well. This is the syntax. We just use effect. Here we have the list of dependencies, and we have the return method which cleans up code. It runs before we unmount our use effect, or before dependencies change. So basically what happens is that once, in our specific case, once the component mounts or we change our audio URL, we create inside here, we do our wave surfer logic, like we create a new instance, we load the audio, we register event listeners for play and pause, and when the component mounts, it's gonna destroy wave surfer instance so it doesn't leak memory. And that's it. Why we use it is because wavesurfer is not part of React. It's an external JavaScript library that needs a real DOM element to render into. So we wait until React has mounted the DOM, and then we call wavesurfer create. So now, if I go back here, if I click play, I need to reload this properly. Play pause. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Test. 9 seconds. Amazing, 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 amazing. Can I move this guy? Yeah. 4. Test. 1. I can't yet zoom into it. I'm gonna write all of this in my readme. The waveform component should be more sensible. Zoom in, zoom out. What else do I need? Colors. Better colors. Better colors. All right. By the way, I don't know if I explained these blobs here. The blob URLs are local references which browser creates to represent binary data. Let me just expand on this. And why do we have 5 or 6 of them? Because every time we load a new audio or video blob, or we re-render the wave surfer component with a new blob, we create a new blob URL. This is the blob URL right here. The browser doesn't garbage collect old ones immediately, and if we are uploading and re-uploading files or reinitializing the waveform, this can happen. Basically, if I reload, I choose my video. Okay. Wave or wave surfer examples. Events. Okay, I can zoom in, zoom out. Amazing. I'm gonna implement this right now. But I think I'm gonna create regular buttons. Possible. Bars. What are bars? What are bars, brother? Can I close you? Wait. Web audio. What is this doing? It's a big quad filter for each, but I have no idea what this does. Regions, alright, regions are also good. I can zoom them. I definitely need a zoom. Some zoom logic here. So let me go back. So I need to style the waveform. I'm gonna do this right now. At this point, I need to style the waveform. I need to customize the colors to be better. These are too dry, too bland, to pale. And I need to tweak additional visual properties. So let's go back to the waveform. Let's add a class name. Class name waveform container. Do I have CSS? I have it here. Waveform container. Margin 0 auto width 90%. I'm gonna center it. Max width is gonna be 800 pixels. It's gonna be 150 pixels. Border radius, let's put it to 4 pixels. Overflow hidden. Save this guy. Do I need to reload my application every time I do this? Why is Vita not updating this automatically out of the box? Let me also put this one in my README. Check why Vita is not triggering automatically. I need to. Maybe it does. File. Why isn't it? Wait, what if I zoom out? No. Waveform container is this guy. Does it have any styles? No. I haven't saved this. Still doesn't have any styles. What? Waveform container. Ah. You must be kidding me. You must be kidding me. Why don't you trigger these guys? Ah. Let me put it here in the index.css file. Oh no, nice. Now it works. Now it works. Let me also fix the colors here as well in Wave Surfer. Wave color. Progress color. Which is the color of the played area. Cursor color is the color vertical line. Also at height 150. Is there a height option? I know. So I won't do anything here. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me increase this to maybe 0.7. 0.9. Oh, this is too red. Oh man. Test 1, 2, 3. Oh man, this is too red. 0.5. Why don't you update automatically? Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay. All right. Let's add the buttons. Zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. Let me add them below here. class name. This is gonna be waveform controls button. On click, zoom out, zoom out, zoom in, zoom in. But I need these methods as well. So for this, I'm going to do const zoom in, const current zoom is wave surfer reference current params. What? I don't have params here. Zoom is zoom. Where's the wave surfer? It's wave surfer. Current, where are you? Zoom. Zoom the waveform by a given pixels per second factor. Is this a method or a property? Let's say this is some method. It's 20, and I'm also gonna do zoom out. Zoom out. I'm not doing something well. Let me just check here. Zoom. There's also a zoom plugin, which do I need it? Do I need it? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. I put this here. Current params. Why can't I reference? I mean,